Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to Spotify music to Snapchat story. To share a Spotify song or playlist to your Snapchat story, here's what you're going to do. First, you need to open your Spotify app on your mobile application or device. And then choose a song or playlist that you want to share to your Snapchat story. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then tap the three dots next to the song or playlist that you want to share. So I'm gonna use this playlist. Then in here, tap share. Now choose whether you want to share the song or playlist to your story or directly to a friend. So I'm gonna use Snapchat here, application at the bottom. Then Snapchat will open to your mobile device. And in here, you can enable location. I'm gonna use that now. Then you can add a caption. Example, I'm gonna use a text here. So I'm gonna type. Then in here, you can choose what font style do you want, what color of the font style that you choose. So I'm gonna use violet here, then position those text. You can also draw here by tapping the draw icon and choose a color. So I'm gonna choose yellow and I'm gonna make a smiley here. Then tap again the draw icon and it's okay now. Then I can also use a cropping here. So let's say I'm gonna draw here and then go back. I can also use a emoji here. So I'm gonna tap the sticker icon at the right corner and choose mention, add music, add topic or add questions here or a poll survey. So there's a lot of pictures here that you can use to your Snapchat. So I'm gonna use a question here. And then can position this question here or someone else. You can save this to your drafts or tap story to your Snapchat. Then it will be add to your story on Snapchat or just tap next and send it to your friends. So that's how to Spotify music to Snapchat story. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.